A girl rescued a bird that was completely covered in glue. To her surprise, the bird's entire family came to visit her to express their gratitude. They hoped the bird would survive. The bird was very weak, so the girl carefully tended to it, cleaning its feathers and giving it baths every day. Slowly, the bird began to recover. It enjoyed interacting with the girl and stayed close to her. Even though the girl decided to set it free, the bird refused to leave. It came back the next day, showing its appreciation. Touched by this, the girl decided to adopt it. The bird was very happy and played with the girl outdoors. A few days later, the bird brought its mate to meet the girl, showing affection. The next day, something even more surprising happened. The bird's parents brought the entire family back to thank the girl again. She provided them with food and hospitality. This story shows us that when you show kindness, the world responds.